Hey guys, we are installing the auto headlights for the Golf MK6. So first, you need
First, what you want to do is you want to remove this. What's that?
Yeah.
Fuse box, isn't it?
fuse box. You want to remove the fuse box, right? So we have a prying tool. Now this may be necessary in order for the component to be. Bro, look what he done. Oh flip, man, you broke it.
No.
Right. So now he's got the fuse box out.
Guys, now this year I've seen a lot of people on YouTube. Yeah, you're very stupid. Don't be flipping getting this year and going like this. No, you just push it in, put it down.
Oh, it comes out like that.
Just like that, mate.
Now it may make some beeping noises,
Well,
but like
oh yeah, it's because the lights on.
the
Mate.
lights on, mate. Don't
Then-
yeah. If you have that on, now you want to pinch that in while pulling it out.
Okay, hold
All right. If you need some help, I'll help you.
on. Allah.
Okay. Maybe you haven't got enough grip in your hands. Let me just.
Go on,
Okay, wait.
Maybe you don't have enough grip in your hands.
There you go.
Okay,
That's
there
how
you
you
go.
pull it out. You just put your fingernail in it and bang.
That's it. So this is the old one,
And now we're gonna install the new one.
and let me show you the new one.
Right.
Bug off. Bug off.
All right.
This is the
See.
new one, as you can see.
As you can see, that's the new one. It looks brand spanking new compared to the old one.
There's the old one. There we
It
go.
looks actually nicer
Yeah,
in some
pissed
cases.
off. Anyways, this is the sensor. Just to let you know, we've got another handyman here.
Yep, that's our. Yeah, he's our Bulgarian handyman.
Just
He does
checking.
electrician, so.
Okay, so
Yeah,
as
yeah.
you can see, that's the sensor right there. Wait,
Yeah.
is it this way or the other way?
So
that way, this way.
that's the
This
light
is
sensor.
this.
You want to put that on the dash.
Yeah, so this red bit here is the sticky tape.
Yeah.
Anyways,
Anyways,
with us,
we
guys,
do not
we're
need
not
that right now because you need to plug in the bloody thing.
yeah. So,
Just put that to the side.
fuck. Or is it like this? Isn't it?
No. Is it?
Yeah, I think so.
All right. Yeah.
I think guys,
So that's
you
just
plug
the.
this in like this. No, the other way around.
Right, so that clicks in like
It
that.
makes a beeping noise. Don't have a heart attack.
Yeah.
And then this side
Goes
just
in.
goes in like that.
Just like how it used to be in.
Just like
Right. Now you want to route the cable inside of the fuse box and out.
that. Alright. We should test it out first.
Just pull it out. Yeah, you could test it out.
Should we?
Yeah, so what you want to do is just put it back in. Just make sure there's some slack in it. Oh, yeah, okay, just do it. How did you do it before?
It was like this, bro.
Yeah? And you want to like, yeah, make sure, okay. No, what you want to do, yeah, so put it on auto. And then when you cover the light sensor, the light should go on. Demi, check if the lights are on. Did you put ignition on?
You need to record it, bro.
I'm recording. So,
It's on.
the lights are on now. Uncover it.
It's gonna take a few seconds.
It'll take a few seconds. The lights are still on. Are you sure it's an auto? Yeah, it is changing.
That's the other one.
Yeah. So what the DRLs were on before. Now watch. Takes a few
That's the
seconds.
actual night lights.
Yeah. There you go. See, it takes a few seconds. Now you want to route
All you
it.
wanna do is you just wanna. Or should I put that here?
Yeah, you just want to put it right in the corner, but you don't want it to be covered.
So here's cool.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Now it's all about routing.
Now we need a tool.
I say just put it inside first, then stick it on. Last thing you want to do is stick it on. Once you know everything works. All right. Also, you got some slack inside of the thing, so you got some slack there. You can tie it up if you want. I don't know what you're gonna do, mate. Just leave it like that. Alright, as you can see,
we're having some sort of issues. But bear with us, guys. At the
Yeah.
end of the day, the lights work. You know how to do it.
yeah.
You can now suffer with the.
See, that's just the DRLs. When it detects, that light goes on too.
Okay.
Alright. Just want to be careful with the cable there. Now you can just put the fuse box back on and you can deal with the
Think
rest.
That's calm, I like.
That's fine. Alright.
Let's see.
It's pretty straightforward, lads. Pretty easy mod. Cost, how much does it cost? £28 something?
Yeah.
Something like that. And you get auto headlights, which, yeah, pretty good feature if I'm asking you. So look, if I cover this up, it should go on. Hang on. Yeah, see? It works. Oh, is that you?
Yeah.
Okay.
But
So
now
that's,
what we want to do.
is you want to use a sticky pad on the other side of the thing.
Yeah, and at the same time, I want to like wire it up.
Yeah, so whilst you're applying it, you want it to be the perfect position. Now this sticky pad doesn't look that amazing.
Flipping over.
Yeah. I think you ripped off the adhesive as well.
Yeah, I think I did.
Yeah, you did. Okay, give us a moment. Yeah, it's all done now, it's all wired up. It basically looks like part of the car, like you can't even notice it, really and truly. That's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe and like. Thank you.